Today we're going to learn how to crochet this cord. It's called a Romanian cord. It's a lovely and solid, pretty cord. It's very simple. We're going to start with a slip knot. Then we're going to chain 2. You want to keep it fairly loose. Now we're going to go back into our first chain from the slip knot. Yarn over, pull through, and yarn over and pull through both loops. Now we're going to turn our start of the chain over and insert our hook under this loop here. Yarn over, pull through, so you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through both loops. Turn your work over. Now you have 2 loops here. We're going to insert our hook under both of these loops. Yarn over, pull through the 2 loops. You'll have 2 loops left on your hook. Yarn over and pull through both. And this is how we're going to carry on for the rest of the cord. We're going to turn our work over, insert our hook under these 2 loops here on the side, yarn over, pull through these 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops, and again turn your work over, insert your hook under these 2 loops on the side, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the other 2. When I said you want to keep it fairly loose, it's because when you crochet quite a tight loop, you have difficulty inserting your hook under these 2 loops. So if you have started too tight, just unravel it and start again. So turn our work over, insert your hook under these 2 loops on the side, yarn over, pull through the 2, now yarn over and pull through the remaining 2. Again, turn over, under the 2 loops on the side, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the other 2. There we go. I'll do a few more with you. So turn your work over, insert your hook under the 2 loops on the side here, 1, 2, yarn over, pull through the 2, yarn over, pull through the other 2. Once you get the hang of it, it is really quite fast and very, very easy. There is nothing else to do. Turning, inserting under the 2 side loops, and there we go. Let's do a few more together. It's quite a nice, tight, compact cord, really quite dense. It's ideal for bag straps. There we go. Just carry on until you have the length that you require.